This video will help you become familiar with proper shifting techniques to ensure the smoothest possible shifts each and every time. Proper shifting reduces driveline shock, improves fuel economy, and provides a better ride for you and your cargo. TTC's 7, 9, and 10-speed ProShift transmissions are non-synchronized gearboxes. All three transmissions are operated in the same manner with the exception of a range switch found on the 9 and 10 speeds required for gears 6 and above. The 7-speed ProShift transmission does not utilize a range switch. First, familiarize yourself with the shift patterns of these transmissions. Notice the 9 and 10-speed ProShift transmissions display two numbers for each hand position. The numbers below the line, 1 through 5, are used for the low-range gears. The numbers on top of the line, 6 and up, are the high-range gears. Since the 7-speed does not have a range switch, there is only one gear selection for each hand position. Easily activated, the range switch on the 9 and 10-speed transmissions allows you to shift between low and high range. When the switch is down, the transmission operates in low range. Flick the switch up and the transmission is shifted to high range. Follow these easy steps to start the vehicle. Make sure the transmission is in neutral with the air brake set. Depress the clutch pedal and start the engine. Then fully depress the clutch pedal all the way to its stop. Note the last inch of travel actually engages the clutch brake, which allows you to shift into first or reverse. For the 9 and 10 speed models, position the range selector switch in low range and shift into first gear. Now release the air brake and then slowly release the clutch and slowly apply pressure to the throttle to start moving the vehicle. After obtaining optimal speed in first gear, you will need to shift up to second gear. To get a smooth, grind-free shift, you will have to double clutch. Double clutching is a procedure that allows engine speed and driveline speed to match so that the transmission gears can engage easily. Here's how to double clutch while upshifting. Depress the clutch while moving the gear shift lever from first to neutral. Release the clutch and allow engine RPM to drop until engine speed and driveline speed match. Then depress the clutch and move the lever from neutral to second gear. Release the clutch and accelerate. As you accelerate, continue to upshift using the double clutching technique. Before you shift out of fifth, flip the range selector switch up. Then simply shift into the 6th gear position using the double clutching procedure. As you continue to accelerate, continue shifting up until you reach cruising speed. Downshifting requires a slightly different procedure. Let's use a shift from 8th to 7th gear to illustrate how it's done. You should start to downshift when your engine is still 50 to 100 RPMs above your desired shift point. Depress the clutch, move the gear shift from 8th position to neutral. Release the clutch and increase the engine RPM by applying throttle until engine and driveline speeds are equal. Depress the clutch, shift the lever to 7th position, and release the clutch. You can follow the same procedure to downshift all the way to first gear. Of course, with the 9 and 10 speeds, you must first select the low range on the range switch when shifting from 6th to 5th. Then you can shift down through 5th and continue shifting down through the low range. When you've come to a complete stop, you can shift the vehicle into reverse. The clutch brake must be engaged to shift into reverse. Depress the clutch as far as possible before shifting from neutral to reverse. Operating any vehicle equipped with a ProShift transmission from TTC is simple and easy. Just remember these tips. Always double clutch when shifting. It prevents wear and damage to the engine, transmission, and driveline. When shifting out of neutral into any gear, complete the shift with a smooth, steady motion. Never force a shift. Avoid downshifting when road speeds are too high. This puts an incredible strain on drivetrain components. Don't coast in neutral. Never change ranges when the transmission is in reverse. When downshifting, it's best to shift through all the gears. This improves deceleration control and it extends brake life. For further instructions, please refer to the TTC driver instruction card provided with the truck. or call 1-800-401-9866 for assistance.